everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a BoxyCharm unboxing for you guys. This is my February box. I just received it about 2 to 3 days ago in the mail and I am so excited to unbox this. I recently signed up for BoxyCharm about 2 months ago. This is my second subscription box from them and I am absolutely in love with this subscription service. It is approximately $23 a month. I did sign up for a 3-month period, so I got a discount which took it down to about $22, as well as I did sign up for the upgrade of Boxy Luxe. So hopefully I qualify for Boxy Luxe in March because I am super excited to see what the bigger box has in store, because I think when it comes to subscription services, BoxyCharm is hands down the best way to go because you are getting 4 to 5 full-size items for a very, very low cost, and they are all higher end products. So let me jump in and get started and show you guys what is in my February BoxyCharm. So this month the theme is Afterglow, and if you guys are wondering what box I got, because I guess they're numbered, I got box number 4. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you guys what I got. Oh, I don't know what to start with because I am so excited. So one thing that everybody got in their boxes is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I definitely look forward to giving this a try. I've been using the drugstore dupe, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, so I definitely look forward to seeing how this works in comparison to the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. You can never go wrong with mascara, and this mascara alone retails for more than what the entire box costed. So this was totally worth the BoxyCharm purchase. The next item that everyone got in their box is the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer, Smoothing and Pore Covering Top Secret for the Perfect Makeup. This is 1.01 fluid ounces, and this retails for $18. I am super excited to give this a try as well. Once again, can never go wrong with primer in a box and that kind of stuff. Right now I'm using the Becca Backlight Primer. This looks like a similar consistency, so I definitely look forward to seeing how this helps with my makeup application. So just for reference, I want to go ahead and give you guys a price on the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It was $24. So like I said, the box runs about $22, $23. That mascara was $24. Paid for more than the entire box. Primer was $18, and we still got more products in here. So the next item was the item that I was most excited for. I had never tried this brand, and it is from Pretty Vulgar, and I got one of the highlighting powders. I guess people either got the highlighting powder or the bronzer in their box. It definitely depends on your beauty quiz, so make sure you have your beauty quiz filled out on your BoxyCharm. So the color I got is Shimmering Swan 126 Glow Up. And it looks absolutely beautiful. So I cannot wait to use that highlighter. And this has over a $30 value. Let's see here. The Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter retails for $32. $32. So that is amazing. Then I got a Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick. And the color of this one, let's see if I can find it on here, is Butter Rum. This is a little dark for my liking. I do have my beauty quiz set to wearing nudes and that kind of stuff, so this definitely falls into that nude category, but just a little bit too dark for my liking. So I will be setting this aside. That way this can go in my subscription box giveaway that I plan on having for you guys at the end of the year, where I just compile all my subscription dislikes or not wanting to try or no I won't use. That way I can pass them on to you. The Grande Lips Lip Plumping Hydro Plump Liquid Lipstick retails for $25. So the next item I got, and I got 2 packs of these, which I was really surprised because I'm a little confused, because it says the Tula Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask ×2. Well, there's 2 of these in each pack, so I got a total of 4 of these. I don't know if I was supposed to get 4 or if I was only supposed to get 2, but my box was busting at the seams, and I did end up getting 4 of these Tula Probiotic Skincare Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Masks. And this says that they are exclusively for BoxyCharm. They do have them available on the Tula website, but they are currently sold out. And from what I've seen on the images, it looks like the mask is sequined, which looks pretty cool. So I can't wait to give these a try because I have been exploring a lot of new skincare now that I'm getting up there in age. So I hope you guys enjoyed my BoxyCharm unboxing. If you guys are interested in subscribing to BoxyCharm, I will have a link below. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.